If you want to learn coding or programming, the first question is, where do we write code? Do programmers use Notepad? Or something more powerful? In this video, I'll introduce you to Visual Studio Code, one of the most popular tools used by programmers, and I'll show you how to download and install it step by step. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sally and Bytes. What is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code, also called VS Code, is a free code editor developed by Microsoft. A code editor is a software where programmers write, edit, and manage their code. Let's download Visual Studio Code on the Windows operating system. Open a web browser of your choice. Here, we will use Google. Type Visual Studio Code and press the Enter key. Click on the official website, code.visualstudio.com. Once the website opens, click the Download for Windows button. VS Code will now start downloading. Once the download is complete, let's install VS Code. Double-click the installer file. Accept the license agreement and click Next. The setup will install Visual Studio Code in the default folder. Click Next. Next, the setup will create program shortcuts. Click Next. If you want to create a desktop icon, check the box. You can also select any additional tasks you want during installation. Click Next, then click Install. Visual Studio Code will take a few seconds to install. Once the installation is complete, you can check the box to launch VS Code. Click Finish. Now you will see the Visual Studio Code icon on your desktop. Click the icon to open VS Code. You can now create a new file, choose a programming language, and begin your programming journey. You can add extensions in VS Code. Click on Extensions. Search for Python. Click Python by Microsoft. And click Install to install the Python extension. Same way, you can search for JavaScript Debugger. Click it and you can install the extension. Now your Visual Studio Code is ready for coding. Why do programmers use VS Code? VS Code is very popular because it is free to use, fast and lightweight, works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Easy for beginners. It also allows us to add extra features using something called extensions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Sally and Bytes for more simple and useful tech videos.